Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson data handling. Now we will discuss about the brain teasers of that lesson. The first question, A subdivision, tick the correct options. If the sum of 7, 4, x and 10 is 8, then the value of x is. So you know mean is equal to sum of observations upon the number of observations, isn't it? Hope everyone remember. Now the brain teasers, it is like a revision work, isn't it? So mean already is given, mean is 8. Sum of the observations, add all these, 7 plus 4 plus x plus 10 upon how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now we have to find out x. So 8 is equal to 10 plus 7, 17 plus 4, it is a 21. 21 plus x upon 4. Now 21 plus 4x is equal to 8 into 4. Yes or no? 4, it goes to the numerator. So you got it to be 8 4s are 32 is equal to 21 plus x. So x is equal to 32 minus 21. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So the answer is 11. Answer is 11. So which is the option? Second option. Understood? Hope you remember this, the last year's linear equation, isn't it? So 8 is equal to, write all the numbers given, observations, divide by 4 observations are there. Now 8 is equal to, add plus x upon 4. So 21 plus x will be on the right hand side. This 4, when you take it to the left hand side, it will be multiplication. So multiply 8 4s are 32 is equal to 21 plus x. So therefore x is equal to 32 minus 21. So 21, when you take it to the other side, it will be minus. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes divide, and divide will be multiplication. Remember. Now the second question, the observation that occurs the maximum number of times in a data, what is it called? That is mode. So third option, the heights of the 6 students in centimeters in a class are given, the median of the heights. So what is the question? 145, 152, 148, 150, 153 and 146. For median, we have to write in ascending order. Remember, for median, first step is ascending order. So ascending order, the smallest one is 145, next 146, next 148, next 150, next 152, next 153. So you have to write like this. So whenever you write a number, you just cross it with the pencil so that you remember we have to find out the next. Okay. So now the median. To find the median, what is the method we have followed? First and the last cancel, first and the last, and now in between two numbers are there. So what we have to do? Add both 148 plus 150 divide by 2. याद है, जब भी एक नंबर रहेगा तो वही मीडियन रहेगा, जब भी दो नंबर रहेगा दोनों को ऐड करो, डिवाइड बाय 2. 8 plus 0 8, 4 plus 5 9, 1 plus 1 2 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 1 remains, 2 nines are 18. So answer is 149 centimeter. Understood? So that was the question number C. Now coming to the question number D. The mean weight of the 5 students is 51 kg and the mean weight of 4 students is 54 kg. So the mean weight of 9 students will be how much? So दोनों का मीन दिया है और टोटल का फिर मीन पूछा है. So for that, what is the method? First write mean weight of 5 students is equal to how much? 51 kg. Now the sum of, so now you have to find out sum of weight of 5 students. In first worksheet we have done like this type of sums. So mean weight of 5 students is given, find out the sum. So it is 51 into how many students? Mean into number of observations. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So you got 255 kg. Now the second step, what is it? The mean weight of 4 students is given. How much? It is 54 kg. Find therefore sum of weight of 4 students is equal to, mean is 54, number of observation is 4, so 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20 plus 1 21. So you got the sum of weight of 5 students and the sum of weight of 4 students. Now they have asked the mean weight of 9 students. So for that, find out first the sum of the weight of this 5 and this 4 students. Total is 9 students. 5 students का 255 था, 4 students का 216 था. दोनों को ऐड करो. 6 plus 5 it is 11, 1 plus 5 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 2 4. So got 471 kg. Now we find out mean weight of 9 students is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. अभी सम कितना मिला 9 स्टूडेंट्स का? It is a 471. The number of observations is 7. 9, how much are 47? 9 5s are 45. Then 46, 47. 2 remains. So 9, how much are 21? 9 2s are 18. 19, 20, 21. 3 remain. Put the decimal, take extra 0. So 30. 9 3s are 27. Again 3 remain, take extra 0. 9 3s are 27. So that means it is 52.3 kg. So either less than 52 kg? No. More than 53 kg? No. It is between 52 and 53 kg. Yes or no? 52.3. So the option is third. Understood? The sum is little bit confusing, isn't it? Hope you understood. Now, the mean of first 10 odd numbers. Mean of first 10 odd numbers. Mean of first 10 odd numbers is equal to, okay, 10 odd numbers you have to write. 1, 3, 5 like that. 1 plus 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now 10 observations are there. Denominator 10. Now you add the numerator. How you add? The easy method, 19 plus 10, 20. 17 plus 3, 20. 15 plus 5, 20. 13 plus 7, 20. 11 plus 9, 20. So till here 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Isn't it? When you add, you got 20. How many times? 5 times. 25 is 100 upon 10 is equal to, answer is 10. You can add and see, but otherwise this is the easy method. Okay? So 25 times 25 is 100 upon 10. Answer is 10. So that was question number 1A. Now coming to the question number 1B. First question, calculate the mode. Mode means what? The mode number of times, isn't it? In this, by just looking at it, you can write which is the number which has been repeated many times. 1.3, 3 times. So the answer is 1.3. Now coming to the question B. Name the 3 measures of central tendency. The most often asked question. Which are the 3 measures of central tendency? It is a mean, median and mode are the 3 measures of central tendency. Now coming to the question number C. Find the mean of the prime numbers between 70 and 100. So for this you should remember the table of the prime numbers up from 1 to 100. In a 5th and 6th standard, you might have revised this table, isn't it? So it is the mean of prime numbers between 70 and 100. So which are the numbers in the 70s? It is 71, 73, 79. In 80s, it is 83 and 89. And in 90s, it is 97. Remember the table: 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. So total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you add, you will get 492 upon 6. Add the numbers, you will get 492. Now 6 how much are? 49. 6 8s are 48. 1 remains. 6 2s are 12. So the answer is 82. Hope everyone understood this. That was question number C. Now coming to question number D. What is the median of the observations given below? So the question is 36, 48, 59, 62, 71 and 84. Now for the median, what we have to do? Ascending order. So please, all students, don't forget to write this ascending order, otherwise the answer will be wrong. So here first step is ascending order. सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? 29. Next is 36. Next is 48. Next is 62. Next is 71 and next is 84. Now median. For median, first, last, but now here 2 are there. So 48 plus 62 upon 2. Remember? So you have to add and divide by 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 1, 6 plus 4, 10, plus 1, 11 upon 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 remains, 2 5s are 10. So the answer, median, is equal to 55. Easy sum, isn't it? Now coming to the question number E of question 1b. The mean of 16 numbers is 8. If 2 is added to every number, find the new mean. A new type of question. Understand it properly. So mean of 16 numbers is given. Mean of 16 numbers is equal to 8. Find first sum of 16 numbers. Whenever such type of questions are there, you have to find the sum. So that is 8 into 16, isn't it? Mean is given. To find out the sum, you have to multiply these two. So 8 6 are 48, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you got sum of 16 numbers is 128. Now the next step, what they have told, if 2 is added to every number, right? If 2 is added to every number, we don't know which are the numbers, and we can't go on adding the numbers. 16 numbers are there. So the new mean, for that the method is, if 2 is added to every number, the new mean is equal to, first we have to write the new sum. First we have to see the new sum of 16 numbers is equal to, first how much is it? 128. Original sum is 128 plus total how many numbers are there? 16. 2 is added to each number, so multiplied by 2. क्या करने का है? फर्स्ट मीन ऑफ 16 नंबर्स दिया है, पहला स्टेप है सम ऑफ 16 नंबर्स, इसके लिए 8 into 16 मिला। अभी बोलते हैं कि हर एक नंबर को 2 ऐड करने का है, तो इसके लिए द न्यू सम विल बी ओरिजिनल सम प्लस ब्रैकेट के अंदर 16 नंबर है, उसको 2 नंबर ऐड करते हैं, तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, 16 into 2. Total 16 numbers are there. For each number you add 2, means you multiply by 2. So it will be 128 plus 16 2s are 32. So you get the answer 160. 8 plus 2 10, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6 and 1. So the answer, the new mean is equal to, sum is 160, the number of observations is 16, 16 ones are, 16 tens are. The new mean is 10. Understood? So mean of 16 numbers is 8. Find the sum of 16 numbers. 8 into 16, 128. If 2 is added to every number, the new sum of 16 numbers will be original sum 128 plus numbers total 16 are there. You are adding 2 to the each number. That is why we have to multiply by 2. Not to add, multiply by 2. Then add, multiply 16 into 2 is 32 and add, you get 160, and mean is equal to sum of observations upon the number of observations. That is why 160 upon 16 is equal to 10. Okay. So we have completed the brain teaser sums first question, section A and B. Hope everyone understood the sums. They are little bit tricky. Always in brain teasers first sum A and B, they are little bit tough. 1 mark or 2 mark questions, but they are tricky. So you have to understand the question and you have to solve. Bye. Thank you for watching the video.